Good morning and welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Mostly clear skies out there this morning. Starting off a little cool, did see a low of 29 this morning, but we should see a nice break after the unpleasant weather we saw this weekend with a few seasonable to slightly above seasonable days ahead of us before our next rain chances. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do see that high pressure is dug in pretty solidly over the east coast, keeping things relatively quiet and dry for the first couple days of the week. Looking at current conditions out there as of 8 a.m. this morning, we do have a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Winds are fairly calm at the moment. Temperature is about 34 degrees and relative humidity at 75%. Looking at the current visible satellite imagery, we do see some of that high cloud that will push into our area throughout the day today. Could build in fairly good cover in the afternoon, but for the most part, still see plenty of sunshine as we go throughout the day. You can see in the region, winds are fairly calm and temperatures are starting to warm up with the sun coming up, but kicking off with some upper 20s and low 30s in our area. Looking at the high resolution short-term model, pretty not much to look at as we go through the next couple of days. High pressure will kind of stay in control and keep things dry. Uh, we'll see a seasonable day today with highs in the mid 50s, but we will see a little bit of a warm up as we go into the middle of the week. And no precipitation shows up till we get into the afternoon hours of Wednesday as an approaching low pressure system from the south uh, gets close to our area. And that will be our next weather maker as we get later into the week. But for now, if we take a look at the next 24 hours, we do see green across the board, not expecting any weather hazards as we go throughout the day and into the morning hours tomorrow, or really for the next couple days. We'll see partly cloudy skies. Again, we could see those high clouds building in to a good coverage as we get into the afternoon hours, becoming scattered skies and maybe even a chance of broken skies. And then they'll start to clear out as we get into the overnight hours, and we'll see a period of some clear skies, allowing things to cool off a little bit. Again, we'll see a high in the mid 50s today, and as we get into the overnight hours, expecting lows in the lower 40s. Could see a chance of maybe 39 degrees just before sunrise, with a few clouds in the area around sunrise tomorrow. Looking at the next couple days, Tuesday, another mostly clear to partly cloudy sky. A little warmer than today with a high of 64. Could be a slight breeze in the afternoon, but nothing significant that would require any kind of advisory of any sort. As we get into Tuesday night, we'll see a little increase in the clouds with a partly cloudy clouds or partly cloudy sky and cool um, with a low of about 43 degrees. As we get into Wednesday, ahead of that next system, we'll see clouds start to build in a little thicker, partly to mostly cloudy for Wednesday, and we'll see those clouds start to increase as we get into the late afternoon and evening on Wednesday, and another mild day with a high of 61 degrees. Well, that will wrap up this 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a recap and a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.